Alright, YouTube, I got 2 packages in the mail. Let me turn y'all off and I'll turn y'all back on. I'm gonna open it up. Alright. Alright, YouTube, I just opened up the package. Got some LED lights, 12 volt. I got them off of eBay. Number is E00037 1060s. These are 12 volt. And I got some Opera lights. Switch back, they turn signals. Sequential lights. I seen these on LS254 channel, and I went on and got me some. I also got these from eBay too. I put the link in the description. I got these off of eBay and this right here. Now I'm finna cut y'all off and I'll cut y'all back on. I'm gonna show you how these look. Alright. So YouTube, this I got. You can cut it. Right there, and it still work. You gotta cut the length of the Opera lights. There you go. That white. White to there it is. It's white. And turn the turn signal on. There we go. Make sure they work. They bright as hell. Alright, YouTube. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. We need 15 more subscribers so I can give away that touch screen, that amp, and touch screen, amp, and that stem wheel. We're close, y'all. We need 15 subscribers. And don't forget to enter in that video. You got to go to that video and comment. That's all you got to do. All right, YouTube.